everyone. You're watching Open Innovate series from MWC 2025 Taiwan Pavilion. Taiwan has long been at the forefront of groundbreaking technology. In this exclusive pre-show interview, we would like to give you a sneak peek of cutting-edge technologies shaping the future of connectivity and AI from Taiwan. Today, we're very glad to have Mr. Samson Duan, Chief Marketing Officer from Auden. Auden is a leading provider of connectivity solutions based in Taiwan. He provides technical and service support in the wireless communications market, including antenna design and manufacturing, system-level integration, wireless product testing, and so on. Hi, Samson. Thanks for joining with us. Please say hi to our audience.
Hello, I'm Samson, and a very pleasure to join this event. And I hope you can also join MWC to see our new innovation products this time.
Thank you. And we also have Mr. Johnny Wu, manager from Auray Technology. Auray is a certified audit and a security laboratory. His service scope includes Auray Alliance certification and batch testing, ICT product information security testing, and the related consulting services. Hi, Johnny. Nice to talk to you. Please say hi to our audience.
Hey, everyone. I'm great to join this event. Thank you.
Okay, good. So my first question is for Samson. We all know that satellite communication is a hot topic right now. And Auden, as the pioneer in wireless communication, what are the industry trends of satellite communications? And what are the driving forces of market opportunities from Auden's view?
Okay, thanks, Roger. I think this is a very important questions for everybody. So everybody knows the satellite industry become a very big shake in these 2 years because of the LEO become so popular in the market. So driving by the 6G and also the NTN trend, I think we have some observation from Auden to see the satellite industry is changing gradually, and I would say rapidly in these 2 years. First is 3GPP become a very important driver, to enforce the NTN solution into the global standard. So I think that will be a very good sign for everybody to enjoy this technology by a cheaper, affordable solution. Because when it becomes a standard, that means everybody can join. So that's also a very good opportunity for Taiwan. Second, LEO actually is a very capital consuming technology, we all know. So for now, only a very big player, I don't name it, but everybody knows who can really play this game well. But everybody knows the importance of this technology. So you can see more and more operators, not only from the satellite, but also from telecoms, want to join together to enforce the LEO technology with their existing technology. So that's we so-called multi-orbit, multi-network combination. So that's a very important trend for the 6G as well, because in the future, we are talking about the 6G is a convergence network, including ground, space, and sky. So that will be a three-dimensional network that everybody can enjoy, including animal or devices. Okay, so that's a very important second trend, the multi-orbit technology. The third one, I can see it, is the direct-to-device technology. So, everybody actually has a smartphone, maybe in Taiwan, not only one, everybody may have two more. And also you have a lot of devices will connect to the network. But how about if you are traveling to somewhere nobody can access, then you need satellite to support you. So it's not only for the mountain climber, but also for somebody who works in the rural area or some kind of like oil platform, mining, this kind of industry. They all request a better coverage with satellite, but to the device we are existing today. Okay, so direct to device, direct to smartphone become a very important technology, and this will drive satellite industry to change because the satellite need to accommodate with the new protocol. So that drive a new technology called software-defined satellite become popular. for satellite operators. And the fourth one, that's talking about the flat panel, because everybody knows flat panel antenna become popular because of Starlink. Everybody knows, oh, the user terminal can be this sexy, can be so affordable. Yes, so this some kind like, from my point of view, it's kind of like changing from feature phone to smartphone. When smartphone comes out, everybody cannot go back because you enjoy the benefit, enjoy the amazing of the device. So that's what we are believing as well. So we can see in the future, the cellular communication will be dominated mostly by the flat panel antenna, because we can see how easy, how attractive for most of the users to adapt this kind of solution for this critical satellite communication. Because satellite communication is not as easy as terrestrial communication as before, but by the device improvement, I think it will change rapidly. The final one, I think, for the satellite network, actually is not talking about separate network. Most of the base station, like 5G base station or something like private network, they all request a satellite connection. Because satellite become a majority of backhaul solution in many countries, even in many situations. So not only for the national security, but also for the industry that I just mentioned before, the mining, the rural areas, agriculture, they all request satellite to combine with their private network, no matter it's for 5G, for LoRaWAN, or for any other network. So this kind of a combination will become very attractive in the future. So from Auden's point of view, that's a very big chance for everybody who is doing networking device, who is doing antenna, and also participate the ICT industry. That's the whole new page for everybody to enjoy the new decade of the next generation communication. So that's from the Auden's view. So that's what we believe. We will keep investing in this kind of topics.
Good. That's really fantastic. So as all the opportunities you just mentioned, then what are Auden's strengths in satellite communications?
Okay. Thank you for asking, because I think everybody is thinking satellite communication is just like the ground communication. We are just talking to somebody in the sky, right? No, when somebody in the sky, then that would be totally different story. Yeah, because you need to overcome a lot of challenge from atmosphere, from free space loss, from the rain fade, from a lot of interference on the ground. Yeah. So I think these topics become the very challenge topic for all the RF and antenna designer. So we need to rethink from the system way. So from Auden, in the very beginning, we are just doing the antenna design like everybody. But we found out it's not just an antenna design problem. We need to solve from ground zero. We need to solve from RF trace. We need to solve from the process. We need to solve from even IC design. Because the IC is playing a very key role in this domain. Because when the PA is not good enough, the noise figure is not good enough, then your link budget will always have challenge. Because we are talking about 36,000 kilometers or 1,000 kilometers. That's not just like a base station, just 1 kilometer distance. So it's a totally different story. So I think for Auden, the advantage is we play earlier than everybody, and we play in analog domain for more than 40 years. So we know how challenging it is. So I think if you are humble enough, you can learn most of the experience in this domain. Because I think Taiwan is a latecomer for space industry. So this is a very big area for us to dig out a lot of knowledge. So for Taiwan's current position, we are very friendly to every advanced countries like US, like Europe. So they are all front runner of the space industry. And our ICT industry actually can support them to reduce the cost and make it more affordable. So this is a win-win strategy for everybody to work together. So now Auden also work with all the international partners, not only Taiwan partners, because this is a global game. As I said, satellite running globally. So our business, our mind also need to run globally. So we work with everybody, not only in Taiwan, and also trying to promote the Taiwan advantage to everybody in the world. So I think that's the most software advantage, soft advantage for Auden. Not only the design advantage, but also the ecosystem partnership that will help this industry moving faster than before. So that's my idea for Auden in this industry. Thank you.
Thanks, Samson. So now I would like to turn to Johnny from Auray Technology. With the growing demand for network security, what are the key challenges in Open RAN testing?
Okay, thank you for your question. Regarding your question, Open RAN test faces several critical challenges in the context of increasing network security demands. Let me outline the key challenges we are seeing in the industry. First, the challenge of the multi-vendor interoperability, security validation. While Open RAN's core principle allowing equipment from different vendors to work together bring flexibility, it also introduces complex security test requirements. We need to ensure not only functional capability, but also consistent security protocol across all industry between components. This includes validating encryption standards, authentication mechanism, and the security key exchange protocol across different vendor equipment. Second is the challenge of real-time threat detection capability testing. In Open RAN architecture, we distribute components from multi-source. We need to establish comprehensive security monitoring mechanisms. This involves testing where system can detect unusual traffic patterns, suspicious device behaviors, and the potential security threat in real time. The distribution nature of Open RAN makes this a particular challenge as a threat could emerge from any component of interface. Third, virtualizations and the cloudification of 5G network bring new testing requirements. As most network functions move to cloud, we need to validate the security of virtual network functions, ensure proper container and VM isolate, and the test data protection mechanism in cloud environments. This includes testing for vulnerability in virtualization layer and ensure secure communication between virtual components. Additionally, regulatory compliance testing have become more complex. Different countries and the region may have various security requirements from Open RAN. We need to ensure our testing process cover regulatory standards, particularly regarding sensitive data handling and private protection. This often means developing flexible testing frameworks that can adapt to involve regulatory requirements. Finally, there are challenges of automation in security testing. Given the complexity and the dynamic nature of Open RAN environment, manual testing alone is insufficient. While we need to develop more intelligent automation test tools, we must ensure these tools themselves are excused and reliable.
Okay, good. Exactly. So for those changes in open testing, as you just said, then how will Auray address the changes mentioned above?
Okay, thank you for this question. At the Auray Technology, we are developing a comprehensive strategy to address this challenge in open RAN security testing. Regarding the multi-vendor interoperability testing, we have established the advanced testing lab environment that can simulate various real-time network deployments scenarios. Our testing platform supports equipment from major open RAN vendors and implements standardized testing procedure to ensure secure interoperability. We have developed specific testing case. They focus on security aspect, inter-vendor communication, and the interface. To address real-world threat detection challenge, our solution can simulate various attack scenarios, help customers evaluate their open RAN network defense capabilities. For virtualization and the cloud security testing, we provide end-to-end testing services, cover security consideration from the physical to application layer. Our team can help customers establish comprehensive security testing process. We have users specified for testing cloud native network function and their security implementation. In terms of regulatory compliance testing, we continue track regulatory requirements in major global markets and integrate these requirements into our testing solution. Our test report complies with the national standards such as Auray Alliance or such 3GPP, helping customers to achieve certification smoothly. We maintain a close relationship with regulatory bodies to stay ahead involved requirements. Most important, we provide complete consulting service. Our team not only execute testing, but also help customers understand test results and provide improvement recommendation. This ensures that their open RAN deployments are both secure and efficient. We take a partnership approach, work closely with our customer to address their specific security test needs. This is my point of view. Thank you.
That's great. Thank you, Samson and Johnny, for joining us today. And thanks to everyone watching this exclusive pre-show interview from MWC 2025 Taiwan Pavilion. Stay tuned for more updates at MWC 2025, and don't miss visiting the Taiwan Pavilion at Hall 5, stand 5861 to experience these innovations firsthand. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.